In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Luminous Dreams pack here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition for completely free. Before we do dive into this guide, I do want to state that this does fall in terms with YouTube's terms of service and within Mojang's terms of service as well. So we're not going to be going to any sketchy websites, doing any hacks, or using any mods. This is all legal and within the rules. Before we dive into the whole guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But yeah, first things first, get into Minecraft and sign into your Microsoft account. Once you are signed in, go into the marketplace and just search for Luminous Dreams real quick. When you search it up, select this first option and you're going to see that it costs 830 mine coins in order to do this. This is important. Make sure you remember 830. From here, you can back out of Minecraft, and what you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice and search up Microsoft Rewards. Go to this first link right here and sign into the same Microsoft account that you have signed into Minecraft Bedrock Edition and select Go to Dashboard. Now on your dashboard, this is going to be where you essentially see everything that you need to do in order to get points. There's going to be, daily quest right here, which is going to be available every single day. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is look for the ones that give you the most amount of points and complete these. The key here is consistently. If you do these as much as possible, you'll fly through this and get a lot of points, which essentially is free money, because guess what? You can actually use these points to get mine coins by selecting this little redeem section right here, and in this left-hand sidebar, simply go ahead and search for mine coins, and you're going to see for 2,500 Microsoft points, you can go ahead and get yourself 330 mine coins. So grind Microsoft Rewards, and we have a full video breaking down how you can get these points as quickly as possible. I definitely recommend checking that video out. But essentially, just grind these rewards until you get enough mine coins to get yourself Luminous Dreams for completely free. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. But once again, this 100% is legal. It falls within YouTube's terms of service and within Mojang's terms of service as well. So you're essentially doing this the right way. You're not going to be doing any hacks. You're not going to be breaking any laws or whatever. Mojang actually promotes this because obviously they're owned by Microsoft. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, and comment down below if you have any questions. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.